Hey guys, welcome to the shop. I'm Fred. So tonight we're going to start on the Y-axis. I got the backing plate in the chuck. We're going to drill some holes, do some countersinks with the milling bit like we did the first one, and we're going to mount that plate on the side there and see if we can get the scale on there and leveled out. Okay, hang in there. We're going to bring it to the mill. Okay guys, I got the plate here in the mill. I've got some punches where we put the transfer punches in from the old original plate. So we're just going to line them up, tighten her down. These holes are going to be 1/4 inch. Enough for the quarter 20 button heads. I'm using a mill bit. I don't recommend using this for a full-time thing. I usually use the collet and the collet chuck. This is just to put a countersink of a 1/8 countersink in here. And that's that. We'll do the other hole the same way, and we'll come back. Okay guys, we're lined up. There you have it. That plate's drilled. So now what we're going to do is we're going to line up the scale on this. I'm going to put it on the other bench here. I just got to move my welding stuff here, and I'll come back. The bench here. I've already scribed 2 crosshairs here on both sides where the scale has to sit here. There we go, those 2 there. That's going to be a 5mm screw that gets put in there. Alright, let's get to her. Let's get this back in the mill and drill her out. Okay guys, we're back. So we're going to center drill that, put the cable up, and we're going to use a 3.3 inch drill for that 5mm thread. Table up a bit. All right, put that in neutral. Some go-go juice on there. Blow the cut off on the bottom side there. Perfect. Test fit. Perfect. Okay, let's do the other side here now. Go-Go juice. Put this in neutral. Just to get her started. Pull the crap off the backside. And there we have it. Do a little test fit here. Perfect. Okay. We're cooking with gas. Alright, I'm just going to take my little deburring tool, get the end of this here on both sides. Okay guys, we got the backing plate all done. Now we're just going to rough fit the scale. See how much room I have on the back side here. I want to make sure the screws don't go past the actual aluminum plate. So I've countersunk everything here, put a little chamfering on here. So yeah, we'll just give it a quick check here. Make sure everything's fitting okay before I mount the plate on there. I drilled the holes for the cover at the same time. I won't have to take it off and put it back on. Okay, so we're pretty good there. Nice and flush. And the screws, yeah, barely come out the back side, so that's pretty good. I like that. So we can get ready to install this now. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, it's a little warm out here today. My garage is insulated, but yeah, it's pretty humid out. I think we're expecting a pretty good storm. So, drill the holes line up on this here. Perfect. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm going to try to get you underneath here where I'm going to be installing this plate. All right. Let me see if I can get the camera down low there and see if we can get some shots. The old TR that was on there went there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to chase these holes here, these 1/4-20s. Make sure they're all cleaned out. Alright, let's get a little bit of air in there. Just blow out the crap. next one here. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try to get in a little closer. So I've got the tap in there, just chasing the threads, clean them out. I gave this this surface a little bit of a scraping. Didn't want any crap in there later on when I'm ready to mount everything. That's pretty good there. Okay guys, we're going to move the whole table forward, and I'm going to scrape the back and run the a tap on the back side. Hang in there. Hey guys, so we've got the Y linear scale attached, and I've got the dial indicator. Jam that in. I'm a little out of breath jumping up and down. So we're going to wind her in and out and do some fine adjustments. So we've got her just a couple thou over 0. So I got her all the way towards the main upright of the mill. Now we're going to drag her back to the front, and we're just going to check. It's the only way I can really check to see how much deflection I got. So I've got it says it's about, I started with about 2 thou. So the X is pretty good right there. So we're 3 thou. That's the table all the way forward. So that's the position. I'm going to lock it in, and then we're going to make the attachment for the reed head. So we're going to lock that in right there, and do the back one. And I'll say that is close to the 3/1000 of an inch, and I'm leaving it there. So yeah, that's it for the Y-axis. That one took a little more time because I had to get behind here, but I'm pretty happy with the outcome. The 3/1000 of an inch, perfect. Mind you, it's only 18 inches between front and back, so it's not a lot of travel like there is on the X-axis, where I was about 5 thous out. So I'm pretty happy with that. Okay guys, hang in there. Hey guys, so we've got the Y-axis almost dead nuts, within 3/1000 of an inch. I'm pretty damn happy with that. Like I said, when I purchased the mill, I did do some checks, and it was relatively dead on. I won't say 100%, but I'd say about 95%, which is pretty damn good for an old mill that's about born in 1982. Anyway, so I've got the dial indicator back on there, and yeah, I'm just moving her back for it just to make sure I'm good with that. So anyway, so what we're going to do now is I got to make the adapter for the reed head, and I've got some adapters here that came with the kit, and we'll do some slight modification. I've got the old adapter that was on there. I just got to copy the bolt pattern, and we're ready to go. And then that'll be the Y-axis, and then we just got to do the Z-axis. But that will be another night. All right, guys. I'd like to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers. You guys have a great night. Stay tuned. Next episode. Take care, guys.